Hello there, and welcome to my tutorial on fractions. Before we solve, first, we need to learn about them. Fractions are numbers that represent equal parts of a whole or group.
In adding similar fractions, you will just add the numerator and then copy the denominator. Then, simplify the answer to the lowest term. I'll show you how. 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths. First, add the numerators. It's just like adding whole numbers. And finally, copy the denominator. Now, let's have another example. 7/8 and 5/8. Just like the first example, add the numerators. Then, copy the denominator. For this answer, we need to simplify it. First, we need to find the GCF, or the greatest common factor for 12/8. The GCF for this is 4, so we need to divide 4 with the numerator and the denominator of 12/8. Now that we simplified it, it is now 3/2. Finally, we need to turn 3/2 into a mixed fraction. In order to do that, we need to divide the numerator from the denominator. Now that they are divided, the quotient becomes the whole number. Then, the remainder becomes the numerator, while the denominator stays the same. In subtracting similar fractions, we will subtract the numerators. Then, copy the denominator. Here we have 6 sevenths minus 4 sevenths. First, subtract the numerators and then copy the denominator, which is 2 sevenths. Next one, 8/10 minus 4/10.
Just like the first example, subtract the numerators, then copy the denominator. Now that we got the answer, which is 4/10, and we need to get its GCF.